Hey, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Panasonic Toughbook CF-33 versus the Getac V110 convertible. Why is it convertible? Well, just like the CF-19, the Getac screen slides around, folds down, and we can use it just like a tablet. Even has a stylus in the handle right here. That's why we call it a convertible laptop. The Panasonic CF-33 I consider what I would say is a hybrid laptop. And why? Because the screen pops off and now I have a tablet that I can walk around with. It's a little lighter weight. The keyboard stays behind. The batteries, both batteries are located inside the tablet side. And when you pop it back on, you have a standard clamshell laptop that's fully rugged. The V110 is fully rugged. Both these laptops come with backlit, chiclet keyboards, emissive backlit I should say. I like the V110 keyboard better. If you notice, the letters on the keys are much larger and easier to identify, especially if you were in the dark and you had the backlit showing you where the keys were. You can see where the Panasonic, the keys seem smaller. They're a little more rounded though, but the letters on them are smaller. So, I don't know. I kind of like the V110 keyboard much better. They both have the same size mouse pads. You've got the Panasonic's mouse pad is kind of sunken into the palm rest, whereas the V110, it's even with the palm rest right here. Both options, I think, work perfectly well, so it shouldn't give you any reason to pick one or the other based on just the mouse pad. I mean, if you're going to pick something, pick it because of the keyboard, because, I mean, that's what 95% of the time, that's what you use on these units. So, port-wise, basically, they're the same. We have all the standard ports, like USB, you've got a headphone jack right here, and you have some PCMCIA ports right here. Then of course the standard power port right there, and then over here we have more USB with HDMI out, and then this is where your NIC and your serial port are located over here. Then on this side, even more stuff. We have, what do we have? Well, maybe we don't have. Let's take a look. There we go. This is where the hard drive pulls out, so we can easily remove the hard drive and pop a new hard drive in there. And then this is the battery port right here, so you would just pop this open. And there's the battery. It pulls with a little pull tab right there. So you can swap that battery out fairly easily. They're both fully rugged. They both daylight readable. The Panasonic, I've told you about this multiple times, but I'll go through it one more time. You have some ports on the side here, HDMI, USB, your SIM card slot, and then on the tablet part over here, this is where your stylus goes. You have a front and rear camera, and then of course your programmable buttons, volume control, and that sort of thing. But your real ports are going to be on the keyboard, so that if you're docked on the keyboard, you have an SD card slot, you have HDMI, you have USB, you have serial port, and then over here you have your RJ45 jack, your hard drive, and let's see what's in this port right here, another USB port. You have lots and lots of ports on this unit if you have the keyboard connected. This one, just basically the same amount of ports, just a little different design. I will say it's a bit smaller, but overall, both units are great. You're going to get a little more bang for your buck on this unit in that they're going to be less expensive than the CF-33. CF-33 is about $1,000 today. The V110, I mean, they're starting out at $299. So you tell me which one fits your budget or your work environment. So remember, you've got to be able to use it to do your job, whichever one you choose. Well, that's all I got for you today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week.